This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart quick. Oh, echo. Close that. Volume seems good. Joker Trades. Good morning, Joker Trades. Just starting my morning routine. I came in a little bit late today. Did we sweep the Asia session lows? No, we didn't. I can tell because this swing low here is a little bit higher. So that's bullish indicator number one. Above VWAP, above previous day's close. Bullish indicator number two, number three, number four, the big one. If we can get over the previous day's high. If we trade into that previous day's high, though, I would be expecting a fade trade. What is that? 18,349. Yeah, my Jesus Christ, that's 240 points away. Definitely, that would be a good fade trade. Okay, so that's the 15-minute bullish. Let me just take a quick look at a couple of the other time frames, just for my own reference. That's a 60-minute. Tighten it up a bit. The daily. Gold's recovering a bit. Crude is down in the basement. Okay, so let's just get rid of this line here. Let's get ready to trade on the 1 minute. We have higher swing lows being put in, bullish. We have higher swing highs being put in, bullish. And what are you hanging? Okay. Oh, at least my phone is working. Thought my phone wasn't working. What was I saying? Yeah, so higher swing lows, higher swing highs. 1 minute is bullish. The range is 33 points on the 1 minute candles. That's an average of 33 points per 1 minute candle. I use an ATR of 6. Good morning, James. Did you just wake up? I texted you, I called you, you didn't answer. The only thing that's, no, Reggie is not Reggie. The reflex algo, I got to rename it. The reflex algo is, really? It's short over there? That's funny. That's funny. Let me reset it again. It shouldn't even be on, to be honest with you. Yeah, it sank short bias. So maybe momentum is renamed to Roscoe. No, reflux. I like reflux. Good morning, Kevin. Anyways, the algo can't be enabled right now because we are going to watch the opening drive play for the opening. James G, that looks like a popsicle or a fudgicle. What's up, Kevin? Not so much in the mood to trade again today. I think because I'm unorganized, I don't know what size I should be trading. I mean, I had an aggressive sheet that I printed so that I can trade aggressively. But the volatility might be a little bit lower now, so But just to give you an idea, my risk plan on the top corner, let me remove the account data. Well, it doesn't show right now, but it will show up. I have, I think, 1 lot for the 25K accounts, 2 lots for the 50K accounts. I should put it over here so I can have and see it all at one time. But anyways, this risk plan here is like having 5 lots for the 25K accounts. Eight lots for the 50K, 17 lots, micros of course. So do I want to trade one more aggressively? I was using my trade copier. I should pull it up again. It went like shit yesterday, but I know how to deal with it now. That's the good thing. So let's get to let's do like we did yesterday. The leader account is going to be a 50K account. Let's copy to 2 accounts. Another 50K and a 250K. The 50K will do 1-to-1. Markets are opened. And the 150K Three to one. 3-to-1 it is. Funny, last time I was doing 3-to-1 and 5-to-1. I was really trading one account very good. Oh, I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to lower my size. This is going to be a 3. This is going to be a 5. Okay, I'm not going to do a 5 lot. I'm going to do, let's say 5 lot, it was 10 lot. So 6 and 10. Bear with me. So 8, 9, either 2 lots or 3 lots. Okay, either 2 lots or 3 lots in the main account. Opening drive is unable to trade, but hasn't had a trade yet. Okay, and I have to be on my positions tab because we know the copier is gonna screw up, because that is what the copier does. Okay, I can see my positions. Hey, no one told me my mic was at the other end of the world. I'm cold. Okay. I'm ready. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we just had a couple of long entries that didn't work out. That's great. I love missing the losers. Pretty aggressive owner, open. Okay, let me look at the range. The range is 36 points, eh? Everything bullish, I remember that. Okay, I have a long entry. I had a long entry, forget it. Let's sit back. Wow, it's too bad I missed that trade by just a couple of seconds. Just a couple of seconds late. Okay. That'll be a lot more. 9:27, really? 7 minutes ago? Not crazy about this trade. I kind of want out. And I'll tell you why, because I got double entried. So they're all out. They're all out. On. Everything is good. Something is weird. Why are there 4 Apex accounts that traded? Does anybody have an idea? Did I miss something? Anyways, I'm not sure I'm crazy about the 15 lot there that I did. So what am I doing? I'm copying it to 3 and 5 and doing 3 15 lots. That's high, a 15 lot. It's a 250K account, but still. Let's do 4. Let's bring it down. We'll do 4 and 2. I think like that is good. Okay, 4 and 2. Let's try the next trade. I think that trade worked out properly. Do I want to put in emergency stops? Do I want to trade on the small? What's 14 times 4, guys? This stop loss seems a little bit too large. I think it's an emergency stop. 14 is 40, it's 56, 84. 2084. That's 21. Oh, it's 21 points. I got so 30. This should be about 120. I know what I'm doing. I'm giving myself a little extra room to handle it manually. Save as template. Okay, I kind of just want to try something here. I want to see okay, that didn't work. Okay, let's trade lower. This thing isn't working out for me, this automated trade thing. Can't say I like it. So let's see. I still have a position sim 102. Okay, let's get rid of this. Not working for me. Okay, let's trade lower now here, boys and girls. What do we got? We're short on the opening drive. I'm not really watching it. First fair value gap just got traded into. Let's take a little bit of a break. We got this one was broken, that one was broken. We don't need them anymore. The algo is probably short bias. Oh yeah, it's not on. But I would say it's probably short bias, eh? That would make sense. I guess looking for a short trade here. Got my finger on the sell ask. It's pretty choppy though. We had this is the fourth one. Would be the fifth bounce at the if we would have gone there. We didn't go there, but we got 4 bounces at 18,080. Maybe longs are the better trades right now. I mean, we are over. Wow, look, what's the range? F. 47 points. They say love and hate are two sides of the same coin we ride. So now we flip it and let it spin. See which side we're in. No continuation. It's a fast market. I think I know my mistake here. Let me get out of this trade, hopefully. Unharmed. Let's go. There we go. Whatever. Yeah, I'm trading the lower time frame Renkos. No, I can't do that. Not at 50 points volatility. That was my mistake. It's too jiggity. I mean, I'm getting a signal every like 7 seconds. That's way too much. And it's too hard to trade because what's the spread? The spread is like almost a point right now. That's 1/7. That's probably about 13-14%. Yeah, no, that's too big. Let's just sit back, relax, wait for a good trade. calm it down. That was a little too active. I'm trying to trade with a little less I'm trying to trade with a little less frequency. So yeah, no, definitely gonna have to switch over to but I do have an idea of something I kind of want to try, but maybe I should just try it on sim. Yeah, it's not a place to try, eh? If I want to try things, I'll try them on sim. No. Fuck, I gotta get out. That's too bad. I like that trade. I thought we had potential to take out the US session highs there. Everything is good. No, M&Q is still in a trade. Oh, no, sorry, not M&Q. Sim 102 is still in a trade, so that's... Okay, that was my trade. That was good. Yep, okay, so definitely I'm seeing what's going on here. I'm struggling with the lower time frame because I kind of lower time frame the one before that also when I said I think we're going to take out the US session highs, and it took me out too quickly. And then the second one was a longer term Renko, and that one worked out very good. So, yeah, no, absolutely. We don't need that many trades. Going to lower size a little bit just because I'm not comfortable with the way my trading went today, and yeah, exactly. I'm humming, I'm thinking, I'm wondering. So I'm going to take a bit of a break, sit back. Nice run, though. There's the takeout of the US session highs. You having a good day, James? You put away the machine gun. I don't know what that means. But it's funny you mentioned that because I have a note here. Where's my new notes? And I print them up. I have a new risk plan, and it actually talked about that. I can't believe I don't have it here with me. Oh, it must be here. There's no way I don't have a risk plan. Oh, it's not here. Okay, maybe it's still in the printer. There's a new one. I printed it out and I actually wrote that. Oh, no, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's still 2 more papers here. Papers everywhere. Not the new one. Why wouldn't I have printed out the new one? Anyways, it actually said that. It's funny. It's almost as if you read it or I talked to you about it. I wrote, no machine gunning after a loss. Because I have the habit of, you know, going click, 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 click after a loss. And it's not a good habit to have, especially what it does is it ends up getting me going counter trend. I get, so that like I want to make the money back in not even on the next trade, but like in the next 5 minutes. It's so ridiculous. But no, I'm getting all this under control. Really am. Like I said, I have that new risk plan. Unfortunately, opening drive lost money, so we can put now up the reflux algo. Let's get that going. Let's close down opening drive. Opening drive's having a started to talk about it on my streams and stuff, and it's having a hard time. So bought at 925, sold at 33. That's a winner. Sold at 21. Covered at 03, that's a winner. Bought at 19, sold at 11, that's a loser. Sold at 49, covered at 57. Sold at 49, had it covered 47. Anyways, I guess the volatility, that's a loser. Okay, so right now the algo looks like it's struggling a little bit, but that's okay. I can maybe take a long trade if I get a smallish candle on the 1 minute, taking a 1 minute candle trade. But I do have a trade on the Renkos, so let's take that. Let's see if we can get down to 08. 08 bid, that'll just be where I want to, 13 bid. 11, 07, there we go. That was a quick scalp. And that's the way they should be. Hit and runs, get in. Good size, and you know what? I can get back in again. Oh, look at that, it's beauty. Oh, it's too bad I didn't get filled. I'm already. It's 20 from where I entered. I said sell ask. That's like 27 points in the second. Order canceled. Just make sure positions order canceled. All working good. So far the copier. Okay, I'm working good with the copier. I know how to work with it now, even with all its errors. Just keep checking it. Click the off buttons. If it starts to go rogue, restart it. James, are we still on for lunch today? I'm asking because I got to check with my son. He's got school and the dentist today. 100%. Yeah, let me just check with David. I'm going to scream in the mic, so I got to turn it off. Okay, James, I have to be back by 2 the latest. He needs the car, so maybe we'll meet there around 11:30, 11:45-ish, 11:45, 12:45. Yeah, and I leave at 1:30. And guess who's going to be a buyer soon? Yeah, so we'll be there at 11:45, and I'll warm up the car at 11:30. Woke up to a snowstorm today. Yeah, 11:45, that's it, 11.45. I slept good. Hold on. There we go. Wow, nice run right over U.S. session highs. We didn't break the upward sloping trend line that I have drawn in so far. I don't have a lower swing high. I think that should be the confirmation, not a higher swing low, but if I'm thinking trend change, I mean a lower swing low. What would come first? I don't really know. That was a good trade over there, but there was a couple of really shitty trades also, so. So. Okay, I have an entry. Stop is at 92 approximately. I could add over here, but I'm not in the mood really because we're damn close to the stop. Okay, stopped out. Not too much damage. Can't complain. Oh, really? You're going to tick me in again? I hate when they do that. I hate when it stops me out and then it goes long again right away. Or opposite. Not crazy about this trade. I'm getting out of this trade because we have three taps at 18,216. And which is pretty much it. It doesn't show up on the 1 minute chart. It shows up on the Renko chart. It's pretty damn fucking clear. I'll tell you that much. So, hopefully I'll have the Renko charts up for you guys this week sometime. I'm working on it. I'm working on structuring a little area where I can, where I could put it. Do I get to see the poll results? What's with the 50% here? 2 votes. Who the fuck put no? Who's the anti-bacon? I wonder who could that have been? I have no idea. Your half has no bacon on it. How about that? Nah, to be honest with you, I don't even know if I'm in the mood for bacon today. I was yesterday. David came home with Domino's. Damn, did it smell good. So what time? I said I got to be there at 11:45, which means I got to start driving at 11:30. So I got to warm up my car at 11:15. Okay, so I'm out of here at 11:15. Everybody. I don't know who everybody is. It's damn fucking quiet in the room, but... But that's YouTube's way of saying if you don't post videos, you don't get viewers. That's okay. Their loss. Right, James? They're missing out on all my super scalping strategies. Wow, we just keep bouncing back up and down and up and down and up and down. I think I'll take a 1 lot here. Yeah, I'll take a 1 lot here. Fuck off. See if I can get 20 out of this, but if it stops me out, I'll just get out right away. It's fine. I got my finger on the sell ask button, and oh, it was so close. So close, and there we go. It stops me out, takes me out. Okay. I tried. The way they make pizza so loaded, we are going to have a... Oh, bugger. Took money from me there, and it's going to go again, huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's down $7? One of my accounts is down $7. The $50,000 account's down $7. Ooh, that was a nice kind of trade there. I didn't juice that one. That was 1, 2, 3, 4 entries at the same price, so... Do we have anything to see here? Shitty trade. Shitty trade, and looks like I'm still in position. So, nope. Looked like I was still in positions. Actually, to be honest with you, I was going to cancel the pizza because I'm trying to lose weight. But I had a really good day yesterday, so I have some fun stories to tell you. It's kind of like I wouldn't say a celebratory day, but not trading well today. My score is 80%, I would say, and I even did an impulsive trade. I have to report. So I'm kind of sitting on my hands now, and oh, there's an entry. Shit. Maybe just for a one lot. You know, when you don't get filled right away, it's always a bad omen. Not a bad omen, but it just means it's going to run. It just means it's going to run without you. Oh, that was a fast scalp. I want to see a little bit of a retrace down to the 18,200 level. You know, give me some runway, man. Give me something to work with. Oh, there's a trade, an official one. An official one makes it sound like it's going to win, eh? It's an official trade. You know what? 30 bucks on a one lot, 15 points. I'll take it. I'll just keep slowly. It was 48.72. What is this piece of garbage? Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Well, I'm happy my cough is almost gone. I mean, Friday was a good day with my cough. Friday, today we're Tuesday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That's 5 days. 5 days. I had about 2 bad days with the cough, but 3 good days, and that's a change because, wow, 45 points. I have fuck off. Let me just take it here for one lot. I'll just chip away a little piece there, and I'll tell you why. Because there was a trade on the short-term chart, so it had a 70% probability, and I took 10 bucks on a one lot off that. So why not, eh? Money is money. Why? I'm getting taxed. How exciting is that? I think. Megan, uh-oh. Ask her if she's seen my pink note for the pharmacist. I can't find it. I can't seem to find it. Of course I manage it, man. Well done, guys. I'm back. I'm back. Missed the bullish entry there. Oof, headache. Upper. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's what I told her when she stopped his meds. Did you use the word temporarily? That's the important word. What do we got? We have a long entry, but it's only a one lot long entry. And it's over. 70% probability trade is gone. That was very fast, eh? Well, that was fast. That was for 14 points or 10 points. Easy. Anyways, we'll sit back. There'll be another one. Wow. Look at... Oh, no. Yeah. Look at the algo. Bought at 160 and sold at 210, a 50-point winner. Go algo. Ha 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 ha. My daughter's giving me a hard time. Oh, just got in the mood to do a FOMO trade. Just jump in because the markets are moving strong. But no. You know, even if you're going to get a FOMO trade, you should do it on a... I'm not doing it, but, you know, on a candle, like a bear candle or something. A bearish candle, and either wait for the break of the high or just assume that there'll only be one on a really strong trend. So if this one closes down, that would be a potential entry. Best trade of the day on this chart was right there. Looking in hindsight. Of course, Crude. Crude had a long entry, but doesn't look like it went to target. Looks like it got stopped out. Let's just check. 61, 55, 55, it's 15. Anyway, didn't even come close. So Crude had a loser. And that candle closes. So let's see. Do we get a second candle down? My theory is no. But I'm just watching. Ah. Do you see me texting you? I have a secret admirer. I think the secret admirer just left. Okay. Oh, no! Oh my God! The secret admirer voted no pizza on the bacon. I know it for sure. What is the pizza bacon vote? Yes. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Get lost. Go. Get lost. Bacon. 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 Okay, well, that was an entry. I noticed that I'm not in the mood to trade today. I was thinking of adding there on that trade at, I'll tell you, 2077 plus 14 at 91. But then I just bailed on it. There's the 91. Next is 98. That's 70%. We have a 70% probability of hitting 98. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. 98 on the bid. 94. 93. 94. 302. There you go. There's your 70% probability trade. That was quick, eh? I could have benefited and profited from that, but I think I want to enjoy my pizza in a good mood, so I don't want to give away these tiny little gains. 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for a primo A+ setup. That was a pretty damn good one, though, right there off the high of the 1 minute candle on the big chart. But the stop would have been, let's see how much, 279, 249. Nah, 30 points. That's not bad. With a 42-point range, it's less than 1 ATR. And we're coming up to the high of the previous day. Well, like I said, if there ever was fade trade, that would be it. And I can't call this front running because this is too close. 330, 360. You know, front running will be maybe around 355, 356 if people do that. But coming up from such a distance, definitely it's a fade trade. But that definitely doesn't mean it's going to work. So don't copy my trades. I'm not a professional. You're not a professional. Trade on demo only. I'm just trading to have fun. There's a million reasons why you shouldn't be copying my trades. Don't even think about it. The delay on YouTube is one of them. I trade off stream, pre-stream, post-stream. You don't get to see the complete picture. And you can't make a living trading if you're following somebody else's trades. So do not trade other people's trades. Do not copy other people's trades. That's just a recipe for disaster. I have a bad entry on this. A terrible entry, actually. Sometimes I'm better. But now I'm not better. I'm not better, and I'm not better with a 4 lot. That's okay. They can't all be green, right? I'll just close it if it stops me out. And that's the stop out. Okay, I'll try again. Sweep on next. That's unfortunate because that was a full loss, and it was a full loss with a poor entry. But that's going to happen. Just getting ready to go long again. Let's go. Let's get a nice aggressive push up, at least to the OOs there. I'll take a piece off at the OOs. What are the OOs? Those are the OOs. And then let's see if we can make a run again for US session highs, hopefully. Without taking me out. No, took me out. That didn't work out. Okay, that one didn't go. Guess they all can't be big runners, right? Let's go. Push. Let's get up to 98. Okay, I'll keep chipping away. That was a oh shit! Now I keep chipping away. I just got another entry on my real system, so I'm long at 98. It's long at 00. Looking for 12 points. For me, I'm looking for 14 points. Yeah, we got to break out of this. Yeah, we got to break out of this 300 area. It's posing a little bit of a problem. I'm looking to add. I'm just figuring out how. I think on momentum. I'm not going to add on weakness. I'm going to add on momentum. Momentum at 307. There we go. Let's go. Push higher. Push higher. There you go. Push. Push in the bush. Who's texting me? Someone's texting me, but it's not showing up who. I don't know. My phone's working weird. Well, if someone's texting me, you're online, I don't see it. My phone's going ka-ding, but, that's a day ruiner. I gotta figure out why that's happening. Okay, let's take one lot on the fast. Oops, something just fell. Dave, are you downstairs? I guess not. I guess he's upstairs. Hey, I got a fourth vote for bacon. Good. And throw one lot here. Let's see if we can get 7 points, 10 points. Take me out. That's like 10 points. Okay, got my green back again. That was fun. So the next vote, I end the poll on the next vote. The next vote is there's 4 votes, 50-50, 2 yes, 2 no. The next vote is the deciding vote. Who will it be? And I have to analyze why trading is not going really well today. And I think I know why. I think I FOMO'd a bit. I think I traded on the fast charts. Can't be trading on the fast charts. The fast charts can trade at an ATR of like 23, 24, and then we're at 38 right now, the ATR. So got a couple of really good trades here again. That's a, see that 2 bar retrace minimum. Okay, 1 bar, that looks like a retrace. 2 bar break of high low and a smallish candle. That's a smallish candle compared to the range. This one's not, so that's not really a great trade, but that could have been, especially I like the wick on this one. That was a nice long trade. Went for 1 for 1. Went for 1 to 1. Sorry. Just got an entry on the fast charts. Not going to take it. I don't know why I'm telling you. Because that's what I would say to someone who would be telling me. What the fuck are you telling me for? And I'm going to get a long trade soon on the longer term charts. But we're bouncing right into the previous day's high. No way. No way, no way. Reflux algo just went into bearish mode, believe it or not. By painting the background there, we got an entry. You know what? I'll take the entry for a 1 lot if I can get a better price. I'm getting a damn better price. It actually went long at 36. I'm long at 22. That's 14 points better. That's a lot of runway to try to make a few points. But if it stops me out, I'll just hit the close button. 36, 22 is the stop. And I'm long at, oh my God, the stop is where I'm long at. How? I think I miscalculated. I miscalculated. That was a beautiful trade. I was like entering right on the stop. And the algo, which is killing it today, is short. Just took a short. Fibonacci. Call me Mr. Fibonacci. How are my mic settings? I didn't even check them. I like to check them every day. Oh, the short went back into loss. 88, that's good. I got a second entry at that level again, believe it or not. And I'm getting a damn good price again. So I'll take it. I can get $22 on a 1 lot. I'm taking it, boys and girls. I take $10 on a 1 lot. If I can get $10 on 1 lots, I can make my target 20 bucks. For sure, man. I just got to get my oh, look at that. Oh, no. I was going to say I have another entry, but no, I don't. Yesterday I made that mistake. I saw an entry. I clicked because I didn't want to get a shittier price. I didn't want slippage. And then I entered and I looked at the chart and said, oh my God, no, there's no entry. I misread it. I only took 2 points off my performance on that. Yesterday was a 98% day. Today is probably a 70% day. So if I make one more mistake, I have to shut it down. Even without the 5th vote for the pizza. Maybe, James, 50-50 means bacon on half. Maybe that's what 50-50 is. Tell me I got a better entry price. This is a super valid trade. I hope it doesn't take money from me. But this is if the markets take from me, they take from me. Yeah, they do. Okay, they're allowed. Can't be winter days every day, right? I guess. Right now, I'm struggling a little bit, I think, because I have cross currents. Look how the algo is short and it's going to take a winner. Broke the aggressive trend line to the upside. Yeah, we don't have I don't have lower swing lows or lower swing highs, but look, we bounce right off the previous day's close, huh? Previous day's close is this green dash line. I told you we're going to bounce off it. That was almost throw some pineapple. No, it's bacon pepperoni. Pineapple is only good with ham. I love Hawaiian pizza, by the way. Kevin, did you vote? If you vote, you're the deciding vote. You didn't vote yet. Yeah, me too. The algo is going to get out of its trade when this candle closes because we crossed through the take profit line. That's all it requires to touch the take profit line, which is the blue line. And then it waits for the candle to close. It doesn't exit on the blue line. And the algo is having a damn good day today. A damn good day. It's been having a bunch of damn good days. If you remember, a good day for the algo was 30 points. That was a good day. Average good day. That's $60. Right now it's showing up 200. That's 3 times the average good day. Shit, damn, I have another long trade, so I'm gonna catch 2 losers in a row. Looking like it. Get out. 5! The tie is broken. James, are you there? James? Do I have to take a screenshot, James? I said the 5th one is the deciding vote. Thank you very much, Joker. I win, you lose. I mean, I don't win. We have to do it for the chat. That's the thing. We have to. Ah, shit, man. I'm getting chopped up. That one didn't look like it copied, to be honest with you. Or am I still in a position? No. Yeah, that one didn't look like it copied. James, your only hope is that my wife pops in for a second. She's going to vote no. That'll even it out. Send her a text. Tell her to go vote on the pizza poll. Did we get a 10 o'clock reversal? I don't know if I would call that a 10. I don't really know how deep the 10 o'clock reversal should be. There was a guy that had phenomenal videos on the 10 o'clock reversal and then taking the 2:30 or the afternoon continuation trade. Buy to cover, so that one shorted at 321 and covered at 298. Nice run. Do we fade the tap into the previous day's high again? I know I'm not eager to take a long, that's for sure. See how it just gets rejected? It's like a fucking magnet. Okay, let's go back up. Let's go back up. Okay, I'm doing these crazy micro scalps. I'm just not in the mood to be in the market. I have an entry at 36. First target is 48. But I got OFT in my ear and Joker in my ear, and I'm not sure if I want to be taking a long right here at the previous day's high. I think I need to be careful. Yeah, I know what my error was today. My error today was greed. A little bit of a little bit of impulsivity. Somehow, some way, there's been impulsivity in here. Ha! Wee wop, putawa, putawina, putawa. That was a camp song that I had. I was in line at a bakery, Kevin, the other day. I swear to God, there was someone standing beside me, dressed to a T, exactly like him, with a dark sweatshirt. Well, I don't know what color his pants are, but this guy was wearing dark pants. And he had the exact same black cap, short hair, tall motherfucker. I said, oh, well, you can, well, you can't be an OFT double, but just from the dressing. So, oh, look at this guy. I was laughing. Made me wonder if he's tall. He looks like a tall guy, no? Let's have another poll. Is OFT over 6 feet tall? Let's ask him. Let's see if he answers. Come on, break this level down. Callis. Maybe the problem also is today with me. Oh. Why did I get out of that? I wasn't even supposed to be in that trade. I don't know. My numbers are still moving. I don't know why my numbers are still moving. Let's just do flatten everything. Yeah, it decided not to take me out of the trade. The trade copier. What a surprise. Uh-oh, someone voted. Yeah, that's my wife. Everything is still working on the trade copier. Now I think we're going to make another run for the previous day's high. I won't say we'll break it, but with that being said, I just got an entry. Now let's see some selling. Wait. Okay, that's a full loss. That's it for me, little children. That's my loss for the day. So I'm done. I'm going to accept that. I had a full loss. 7. Oh my God, what's going on? Who are these people? No wonder why I'm trading poorly today. Yeah, is that my max loss? I'm pretty sure that's my max loss for the 50K account. 600. Let's see. DD. Yeah, 500, 625. That's my max loss. 6 feet tall. Okay, so I hit max loss. I tried. I did my best. I mean, I took valid entries. It's nothing more I could do. It went against me. There's going to be days like that, right? Obviously. Gave back a lot of yesterday's. Yeah, I don't know who's making these. You had some. What do they call it when you have a hockey team? You had some ringers come in. Oh wow, he's exactly 6 feet tall. You had some ringers come in and make fake votes. Probably had your daughters come in or something. So what do we do now if I'm not allowed to trade anymore? Can someone answer me this philosophical question? So I hit my PDLL, my daily loss limit, and I'm stopping for the day. But then I'm going to start trading tomorrow. What's the difference between tomorrow's trade and today's trade? Like, why do I have to put time between it? I mean, tomorrow I could lose again another. I could hit my PDLLs again. So what's the difference of just not going? What's the difference of just continuing to trade? No, but I'm just saying, you know, like philosophically, ideology, theoretically. Seriously, what's the point of stopping? Because I'm going to stop. Because I have the rules and I'm following my rules now strictly. But one of the reasons why I don't stop is because logically it doesn't make sense to me, because I'm going to take trades tomorrow. So why is tomorrow's trades different than today's trades? Did you vote, JC, yet? 8 votes! Shit! Soup. They don't sell soup. They don't sell soup. Wow! I got decimated with the last couple of votes. But it's still not closed yet. So tomorrow, I don't even think I'm going to copy trade. I'm going to close down my copy trader. Tomorrow, I'm going to try and recover them one by one. That'll be my job for tomorrow. Now I'm just going to wait and pray that we get a few more stragglers in here voting for bacon. Shit, 62% on 8. That means it's 5-3 right now. Wow, it was 3-2. And then you got 3 no bacon votes in a row. Yeah, there was a lot of losers today. I gotta say, there wasn't a lot of follow through for me. I mean, I'm just looking here in the last 6 trades. There was 4 losers. So I'm not surprised that I had a max loss day today. Why is the algo off? Everything's turned off. I know what happened. Oh, my doctor's calling, telling me not to order pizza. Okay, my phone rings and it doesn't even show that there's a call. Yeah, give me...
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables, los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore when everyone shared the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa. La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me. Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado. Dancing alone, the silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me. tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fables, los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just a galore and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
I gotta bring some people in here to vote bacon. Pizza soup. In Greek, it means 3 different pizzas. Soup means 3 different, because you have pizza, soup, and you're saying 3 different pizzas. So pizza and pizza you have on both sentences there, James. But then you have the word soup and you say 3 different. I'm lost. I'll need clarification on that later. So 11:15, yeah, 11:15. Okay, another 25 minutes sitting here for punishment for reaching my PDLL. Ah, okay, a blend. Blended pizza. Do they throw it in the blender? OFD, if you're here, you better click bacon. I'm rigging the polls. Well, there's nothing I can do. I mean, I'm looking at the charts here and I'm saying there's nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. Okay, 1 bacon from the 3. It was just a tough day. Tough day, tough numbers. Come back tomorrow. Ooh, that's a big one. Didn't know. Okay, Jimmy. How we did today? Lousy. Hold on. Go vote bacon in the poll if you didn't vote yet. Where's my thing? Where's my thing? I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. There you go. That's my disaster. I'm red. Almost entirely. One little 167.50. I hit my PDLL. I hit my PDLL today. Come on. But I'm not complaining, and I'll tell you why I'm not complaining. I took really mostly set up trades. I didn't trade impulsively. It just my system didn't work today, and I was using my aggressive numbers. I did tell my son that I'm going to be trading more aggressively. I gave him the numbers, so everything was, none of this was impulsive, none of this was unplanned. I mean, the loss was unplanned, but I stopped. I don't have the revenge feeling in me. I'm good. I was going to sit here till 11:15 and then go for my lunch with my pizza. And then I got work to do some more, so that'll be my day, and I'll be streaming again tonight. Look, not every day can be, oh shit, looks like someone just fucking voted no again. Oh my god, the world's against me. I can't recover. That's 6-3. There's no way I'm getting 4 votes in the next, Yeah. Oh, there you go. But you voted no, Bacon. I just got another no vote somehow. Yeah, I have no desire to revenge trade. I have no desire, like in the old days. It's not cooking inside of me. It's just, okay, tomorrow, not only tomorrow I'm going to attack it, but I'm going to attack it one account at a time. I'm not going to copy trade, even if the volatility is still there. Why are you laughing? Look, the poll is the poll. It says no bacon. No bacon is no bacon. Now listen. I'll have a shitty pep. Nah, I can't say shitty. It's a good pizza. I'm printing green with all but one account, but small. Have to adapt the market pretty well. Good job, OFT. I had a good run. Yesterday was a great day. Kind of gave back everything I made from yesterday, but that's what happens. I traded aggressively. One day winner, one day loser, and scratch. Never pick bacon out. That's a crime in Canada. You can get thrown in jail for 30 years for doing that. So you're only 6 foot tall. I don't know if you heard my story, OFT. I was in a bakery on the weekend. I was standing beside a guy. He was dressed like you with the cap and the black sweatshirt. And, well, I don't see your pants. The guy was wearing black pants. Shortish hair. I said to myself, oh my God, that's probably what it... But he was tall. That's why I did the thing where I was asking how tall you are. He was like 6'5" or something. Same build, that looks like. I said, oh, look. I thought you'd be taller than just 6 foot. Huh. That's what the guy was wearing. And the cap. The cap was really exact from what you have online. I mean, I don't know if yours has a logo. Maybe he had a different logo. I didn't look that carefully, but anyways, it made me smile. If I didn't look closely at his face, it was like, hey, look, I'm standing beside OFT. Yep, I didn't really have much to work with today. Now we're getting some winners, but in the period that I traded and I hit my max loss, it was loser, 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 winner, loser, 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 winner, loser, winner, loser, loser. Those days happen. There was a period of no goodness. Maybe I could have tried to be a little more selective in my trades. I guess that's a possibility. I could review the video and see, but I don't think I took too many shorts. It was pretty much all bullish through here. I was just, I need continuation to get in, and then it just wasn't following through. There's range on the 1 minute candles, but there wasn't enough follow through. Yeah, no, I traded aggressive today. Not too aggressive, but I think I was up to my copier was 4x for my 250k account. So my 250k account was doing 9 or 10 lots. Micros, of course. That's crazy. I don't know how that happens, man. Yeah, once this volatility goes away anyways, I'll be back to my conservative sizes, what you see on the top of the screen here. I don't know if it'll show right away, but anyways, up here, top left, it'll show my risk plan. It's going to be 1 micro on the 25K, 2 micros on the 50K. I'll get back to those conservative sizes, but tomorrow I'll probably trade somewhere in between the aggressive and the conservative, but 1 account at a time. Yeah, well, I wouldn't complain. I wouldn't complain if we got craziness forever. I like trading in craziness. Doing a bit of a dump right off the previous day's high. It's crazy how the previous day's high and the previous day's low acts as resistance or support when you're coming from far away. And this was coming from far away, 17,920 all the way up to, well, no, that's at US session. 18,080, up all the way up to 18,360 almost. PPI, CPI, PPI this week. Wow, with PPI and CPI, yeah, it'll be a crazy week. I gotta print out my new risk plan. Where was it? Maybe. Nope. Oh, I understand. I do have my new risk plan. I have my new risk plan, which is the conservative one. It just updated with some rules here, like not to trade off stream, because when I trade off, as soon as I shut down, I have this desire to try and blow an account or pass an account. But so no trading off stream. And my brain, this is the important one. My brain should be saying to me, what am I looking for next? Meaning, what's the next setup I'm looking for? Not, how should I click the buttons right now and hopefully try to make money by impulsively trying to guess where the market is going, but what setup am I looking for next? Or more specifically, what needs to happen in the charts for me to have a valid setup, a valid entry? So, for instance, in the 1 minute chart, to have a valid entry, the rules are right here in the top left corner of the 1 minute chart. I think you guys can see it. I wrote it there for myself, just as a reminder. 2-bar retrace, minimum. And then a break of the high or the low. Obviously, the break of the low if I'm selling, break of the high if I'm buying. On a, kind of smallish candle, not a big fucking extension candle. Yeah, yesterday's high was a heck of a trade. I was talking about it a couple times in the stream today, saying it's going to be a fade trade. I said there's almost no way we're going to blow through that. I didn't think that this would happen. I thought we would bump into it a few times and then break it. I guess maybe that's also why I took my losses. I kind of had a confidence that that was going to happen. Okay, take care, OFT. Enjoy your supper. Talk tomorrow. I'm allowed one coffee today. My coffee is finished. Do I even have a sim account that I can trade on? I need to create a sim 3. So weird. So weird. My phone rings. It doesn't even show up. I don't know what's going on. Oh, where are my glasses? Anybody see my glasses? There they are. Okay, 10 more minutes. Oh yeah, I was trying to create an account. Remove account, edit account, add simulation account. A disconnect and a reconnect is necessary. Oh, it shows up. Okay. I have hey, wood chip. I hit max loss today. I'm stopping. Hey, wood chip voted for bacon. I'm back in the race, but I have to leave in 10 minutes, so I guess I'm going to lose. Yeah, I hit my max loss today. I don't have any feeling of the need to make it back today. I was trading my higher size. And, the planned higher size. I hit the PDLL. I was copy trading. The copy trader fucked up a few times. No surprise there either. I'm going to catch a 1 minute trade over here, which I'm going to take. But on Sim 103, I'll take it for a 5 lot. Sell stop market. Might as well just keep myself busy while I'm here. Put it in. I do want a smallish candle. That's not a smallish candle. So that breaks the rules. So I close it. We'll wait. But on the other hand, I'm going to get a trade on the top step charts. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hate that. Yep. Top step charts went short at, I can't even see. Looks like 156. I'm 149. That's another poor entry. I should have known that in advance. I will add at 68 if it gets up to 68 bid. 68 bid. 64, we're almost there. 65, 63, 62, 66, 67, 68 bid. I said I will add, and let's see if I get stopped out for the full lot. Or if we go back down to 56, which really isn't even that good for this sim trade, because my first entry was so poor that even with the ad, my average price is like not much better than the original entry price of 56. This is a smallish candle. If it can stay small like that and then we break the close, break the low, I would like that as a trade. 1 second, there we go. Break the low and there's your trade. I'll add. Well, this trade's a 1-to-1. based on the 3-bar high. So we go over here. We'll put in a buy limit for the 1-to-1. Let's see if we can get that. And I'm watching also my topstep trade, which I had added on. If we can get down to 44 bid, I'll cover 5. That's for the topstep. 47, good enough. I'll take it. Let's see if the other one goes down to let's see if we can get down to 18,135. That would be the 1-to-1 on the 1 minute chart. And when this candle closes, which it just did, my stop, oops, cancel, technically does come down to this. So I'm going to enter in the buy stop for the 5, which is here. I don't need my fibs in anymore. We don't need the clutter. There we go, there we go, there we go. Why couldn't it be this easy when I was trading, eh? Trade's over, $597, you see? One simple trade, how fast the money can be made back. That's why I'm not revenge trading, and tomorrow will be a new day. It's just a 1-day setback today. It's not even a 1-day setback. It's the same thing that it just, I mean, it's a setback because a trailing drawdown. It just took what I made yesterday, basically. That was a nice trade. I like it. That qualified as a smallish candle. See, I was saying on this one here, it's not an entry on the break at a low because that's too big of a candle. It's visual, but based on my screen, I'm using a big screen in front of me. You know, if the candle looks 1 inch or less, that's a smallish candle. Anybody new in here, guys? Say hello. Type in deal me in. Play beat the dealer. And hit the subscribe and the like button. It would be appreciated. But most importantly, just say hi. Introduce yourself. Don't be shy. I don't bite. Boom, boom, boom. Nice move lower. See, that's what I was saying, James. You know, it's kind of silly I don't take these trades because it kind of worked out. But I do think the reason also why I shouldn't trade anymore today, it's not so much the brain also, but it's that the markets are showing that they're not delivering for me the way they should be. Short for 920. That's a nice short. Coming up into the IB low though. So that'll be a little bit of support for a bit.
No me puedes tomar. Better run while you can, porque soy el mar. Watch me break your plans. First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking memories. Push the limits, see you panic, watch me laugh.
Okay, is this one gonna go finally? I haven't hit one where the cash register rings. This one has a 70% chance of ringing the bell. Let me see. Short at 88. I'm short at 86.75. A little bit worse. But if it stops out, I will click buy the bid. 81. I gotta get down to 78, even a little bit more. That's odd. Breaking below 88. Trying to get below 88. There we go. And there we go. Yeah, we're breaking the Hey, I know. I know how I can fix it. Boom, boom. Properties. Let me see if I see crude.
Stop filled.
Yes, I do. I see crude. So now it should work. Let's just test it, and then I'm gonna go warm up my car. Like I said, I woke up to a snowstorm today. Okay, it works. I understand how to fix it now. Tiddling, tiddling. Wow, you just can't lose money, Diffs. No tires. Yeah, we didn't take hours off yet. But yeah, woke up to a snowstorm. Yesterday we were walking around in shorts and a t-shirt almost. And today we wake up to a snowstorm. Okay, 11:14. Time for me to go warm up my car. And thanks for showing up on the stream. I don't know if it's possible to be happy on a red day, but I'm happy on a red day. No real emotions to make it back. If I'm going to be 100% honest, maybe 10%. I'm disappointed it's a red day. But I didn't really have the urge at all. Even when I took it, even like right at that moment when I just closed it, I didn't have that revenge feeling. All good. Tomorrow's a new day. Look how easy it is to make there. I just made on Sim 103, a bunch of money. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. There's the evening stream, the co-stream with Joker. For you guys, it starts at 7 o'clock. Hope to see you there. If anybody's new in the channel, please hit the subscribe and the like. It really helps support the channel. Take care, Joker. And that's it for me. Have a good day, guys.